how Chinese welding inverter work, why they are so cheap, what are the components inside. Let's see a typical MMA welding inverter for stick welding. Machine input is 3-phase 4 watts 400 volt power supply. Welding output is positive and negative DC supply. Welding current can be set from front potentiometer. Welding current value can also be seen from the front display. A fan is connected at the rear end of the machine for forced air cooling. Operator can switch on and off a MCB for machine power on and off. Machine is divided into upper and lower compartment. We have removed the upper cover. 3-phase input power is coming from this terminal. From here, lines are going to MCB input. 2 lines of 3 phases are going to fan. Control transformer takes 2 phases of the 3-phase supply line in the primary. On the secondary side, 09 and 18018 AC voltage are supplied to the control PCB. Control PCB takes command input from the display PCB, which is connected from the front by a ribbon cable. Inputs of welding current, arc force and hot start are set by operators on the front panel by 3 potentiometers. Control PCB sends signals of welding current for display and signals for LED of over temperature trip and power. Machine also has gouging option. Another 3 lines from MCB are going through an input filter. Output from the filter are going to lower compartment. Output of the filter are coming to 3-phase rectifier block. It converts AC into DC. DC bus voltage is connected with a low value of capacitor and resistance. This DC bus voltage is connected to a full IGBT bridge configuration circuit. One with positive, another negative DC voltage. 2 IGBT modules, each having 2 IGBTs, are connected with gray driver PCB to a heatsink. Output of the IGBTs are connected through a small inductance to the primary of ring-shaped amorphous core with transformer. Transformer secondary is in center tap configuration. Center tap is going directly to the output negative terminal of the machine. A Hall sensor is placed to measure and give proportional feedback to the control PCB of the welding current. Other 2 terminals of the secondary of the main transformer are going to diode connected in parallel, mounted on the heatsink. Some RC filters are connected across the diodes. Output of the diodes are going to positive welding terminal via DC iron core choke. Filter is connected across output terminal. So depending on the operation selection, control PCB send PWM high frequency signal in the order of 20 kHz to the IGBT driver PCB. Driver PCB accordingly drives IGBT gates. IGBT switch DC bus voltage to primary of the main transformer. Corresponding lower voltage from the secondary of the main transformer generates, and after rectification from the secondary rectifier goes to the output for welding. Hall sensor gives feedback to the control PCB, and inside PCB necessary modified signals adjusted to machine constant current operation. Either for high current temperature and also monitor, and it stops the output as it is required. Thanks.